This guide shows you how to upgrade your Windows 10 to the April 2018 update. Now, I would only recommend doing this if you've got a solid backup of your data. If anything goes wrong, I can't be held responsible, and this is the time when it's likely to go wrong, so please make sure that you've got backup. If you don't necessarily need to upgrade to the April 2018 update, then I would wait for it to automatically be offered to you. But if you're in a hurry and you want to see what's involved in it now, then you can follow this guide. So like I say, make sure you've got a solid backup before following this guide. So first of all, we need to open our browser. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge. This comes with all versions of Windows 10. So let's just open Microsoft Edge. And at the top of the screen here, we want to type www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10. Okay, and then we press enter or return on our keyboard. And this page loads. Then all we do is we move our mouse over Update Now and left click Update Now. And then it says, what do you want to do with Windows 10 upgrade 9252.exe? Well, we want to click Save. So left click Save. Okay, and once it's downloaded, it says Windows 10 upgrade 9252 has finished downloading. We then left click Run. Now, if we've used Google Chrome as our browser to download this, we'd again launch Chrome, put this in the bar at the top of the screen, and then left click Update Now. And the file should appear at the bottom of the screen. And there we go, it appears at the bottom of the screen. Now, once it's finished downloading, you'll notice these figures will disappear. Once they've disappeared, then just left click on Windows 10 Upgrade. If you're using Firefox as your browser, again, just type in the bar at the top of the screen the web address microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10, and then click the left click Update Now. And once you've left click Update Now, an arrow should appear. Oh no, it will come up and it will say you have chosen to open. So just left click Save File, and an arrow just appears up here. When that arrow turns blue, then left click on the arrow and then left click Windows 10 Upgrade 9252. And finally, if your browser of choice is Internet Explorer, again open it up, type this address in the bar at the top and then left click Update Now. And it will say, do you want to run or save Windows 10 Upgrade 9252? Left click Save, and then once it says it's downloaded, and after it's done the security scan, just click Run. That's left click Run. Okay, so once you've left click Run, then it will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Make sure it says Windows 10 Upgrader. Make sure the verified publisher is Microsoft Corporation. If this is true, then move your mouse over Yes and left click once. Okay, so it says update to the latest version of Windows 10. One of the best features of Windows 10 that it keeps getting better with every update. This PC is not currently running the latest and most secure version of Windows 10. This PC is running version 1709. The latest version is 1803. We can help you get the latest security enhancements and feature improvements. Click Update Now to get started. So we left click Update Now. And it says congratulations, this PC is compatible. If it wasn't compatible, it would tell you in here. So we left click Next once again. And it starts to download the update. Now, depending on the speed of your internet connection, this could take from minutes to hours. So all you can do is just leave it. So just make sure from time to time you pop back just to keep an eye on it. Yeah, so what we'll do is I'm going to pause this video because this is going to take a little while to download the update, and we'll come back to it in the next step of the update. Okay, so I've unpaused the video and it's at 99% the downloading, but don't get too excited because there's still a lot more to go now. It's now actually verifying the download, so it's going through the percentage again. This will take a while and then it will actually start installing. So we're not finished yet, not by any means. So I'm going to pause this video again and I'll come back to it at the end of verifying and we'll just see what's going on then. So see you in a few moments. Okay, so we just got to the end of verifying and now it's doing its updating. Again, this bit's going to take a while and it's only the first part of the updating. The computer will reboot once it's done this part and probably reboot a few times. So again, I'm going to pause this video and we'll come back to it when it gets to the end of this part of the updating. Okay, so the next part, it's now come up that it's preparing. So again, this bit might take a little while. I'm going to pause the video once again and we'll come back to it. Okay, so it's near the end of preparing and now it's just checking for some more updates. Why it's doing this I really don't know, but this bit might take a little while, so I'll come back to it when it's got to the next stage. Okay, now it says checking your PC. Once again, not sure why it's doing this because it checked it already earlier. But now we're getting a few things ready. Again, this bit might take a little while. So okay, so now it's getting updates and checking for updates. Again, this bit might take a little while. So once again, I'm going to pause it and we'll come back to it. Okay, so it's finished checking and downloading the updates. So it says making sure you're ready to install. So once again, this will take a few minutes. I think you know the drill by now. I'll see you when it gets to the next step. Okay, so the screen's disappeared and now it's come up full screen. So it says installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. Okay, so it's nearing the end of this part of the installation. Now in a moment the computer will restart and it'll go on to the next part of the installation. We'll come back to that in a second. There we go, so it says your PC will restart in a few moments, but don't forget this isn't nearing the end at the moment, it's just the beginning of the next part of the installation, so hang tight. Okay, so it says your update is ready, your PC needs to restart to complete the update. Save your work and leave your PC plugged in and turned on. If you choose to restart later, we'll automatically restart the PC when you're not using it. The update usually takes 90 minutes or less to complete, but we'll let you know once it's finished. But please be warned, I have had an update take more than 24 hours, so leave it for, well, at the very least 36 hours if it does look like it's hung at the next point. So okay, so I've saved everything I need to, so I can left click restart now. So move your mouse over, restart now, and left click if you've saved everything and you're okay to restart now and proceed with the update, or if not, left click restart later. But I'm going to left click restart now. Okay, so it says you're about to be signed out. Windows 10 Update Assistant will reboot your device to complete the update. So I'm just going to move my mouse over, close, and left click close. This next bit might take a little while, nothing might happen for a while. And there we go, it's now showing restarting. Okay, so the computer's still restarting. And now it says working on updates 0%. Don't turn your PC off. This will take a while. Your PC will restart several times. Okay, so I'm going to again pause this video and we'll come back to it when it's a little bit further along in the installation. Okay, so the installation just got to the 30% mark and the computer's now restarting. And we have the Windows Start flag appear on the screen and the spinning balls appearing at the bottom of it, and we've come back to the 30% mark and it still says working on updates. I think that was the first of 2 or perhaps 3 restarts, but anyway, I'm going to pause this video and we'll come back to it when it's coming up to the next restart. Okay, so we're up to the 75% mark now. I think usually somewhere around here the computer will do another restart, so we'll let it restart and come back to it. Oh, here we go. Yep. Okay, so the computer's just restarting. The Windows flag has appeared. Now the spinny balls have appeared. And there we go, it's back to working on updates from 75%. Hopefully it won't be long now. Okay, so we're right nearing the end of the installation now. And we're logging back in. And we've got the message, hi, we've got some updates for your PC. There we go, it might take several minutes, as if we haven't given it several minutes already. Very important, still don't turn your PC off at this point. These updates protect you in an online world. Still keep your PC on. We can close this down just by clicking on the cross in the top right hand corner. Do you want to close all tabs? Yep, close all. And there you go. Thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. I move my mouse over exit and left click once. And that's it. That's how you update to the April 2018 update of Windows 10. Thanks for watching.